Next I'm going to show you a very light plant forward recipe which is spaghetti of zucchini and carrots, you can say. And we are going to quickly make a very light sauce for that. What we have done here, we have these spirals of like juliennes of carrots and juliennes of zucchini. And for the sauce, we are going to use almonds, rock salt, basil, olive oil, and lemon juice. So let's start with making the sauce first. Ashish, would you help me with this? We'll take almonds and basil leaves, salt, that's enough, lemon juice, that's enough, and we'll use olive oil, and we'll use water to make a paste out of it, to make a smooth paste.
The almonds will make it creamy.
Yeah, almonds will make it creamy. Instead, a lot of pasta recipes you will see, they are finished with a lot of butter, parmesan cheese, right? Here, to get that creaminess, we are using almonds instead of that. Little more water. See, I'll show you. It's already creamy, but we'll add a little more water here, and we'll make it even creamier.
Can't believe how creamy that is, Nate.
Little more water here. A little more. Now, most of our recipe is already done. I've taken stock here in the pan, and I'll add these carrots and zucchini to soften it a bit.
I assumed you would have to boil it first, but you're not. No boiling it, just
because
with water.
It's already very, and the cut is very fine.
Yeah.
It will cook immediately. You can do blanch and then use, that also can be done. But the two drawbacks in that. Number one, there will be some nutrient loss definitely in the water. Here there will be, any nutrients are going to go in the water and we are going to eat it only. That's one. Secondly, with the blanching and then using, there are chances that you will overcook it. I find it always better to cook it like this. In no time the carrots and zucchini are just a very important step. We have to give it a quick taste check for salt. Oh, you must taste it.
Everyone try.
I recommend.
Everyone try a spoon. Try a spoon. Sandra, try. It looks so good. Try it. That is. Yeah. Can you believe how creamy that looks? Like it's insane, no? Yeah. And that took no time.
Yeah, very quickly. And what we are going to do now is just pour this cream on top. I think that should be enough.
And that cream had very few ingredients, no?
Yes. It is almond, basil, salt, lemon, olive oil, that's it. And after this, do not cook it too much. Just mix it off the flame.
And you want to eat that straight away, right?
Yes.
Look at
just a quick vegetable spaghetti in no time.
Looks good too, no? Everything looks really good. You do want it.
Your vegetables are not overcooked.
Nee?
Now take it as an idea. Think of different nuts and seeds. Like what suits your dosha, what suits your body. And you can create dishes like this. This is an idea for a sauce. You can make similar sauce with different ingredients as well. Instead of basil, go coriander. Maybe instead of almonds, go cashew or pistachios. Different vegetables. And for crunch, I'm going to add toasted sunflower seeds and maybe fresh coriander. And that's spaghetti.